Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the unindirectional movement body effect in CapCut PC. So you can find the new body effect, so just select effect, select body effect, and you can find in the hallucination, and you can find indirectional movement. Just download it and add to your video. So how to use it? For example, select the video and go to effect, select body effect, select hallucination, and select unidirectional movement. Let's add to the track and adjust for iteration as you like. And you can change for the rotate and speed, and you can see for the final result. Just click on the play button. Sorry, it's copyrighted. That's it. So super simple, and I think this awesome effect from CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and if that can applies to others as well. Bye.